Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to create a Facebook page. So first of all, you'll notice that I'm on my home tab here. I'm just going to go over to groups here, and I'm going to click create new group over here on the left here. Okay, so that puts me in a situation where I can immediately name the group. Now, if you look at the naming convention that one of the more successful ATM sites has used, Lavelle's Thrive site, they use a naming convention, which is the name of their product, Thrive, okay? And then they're going to use some benefits here. This is a really good way because when someone does come across the site, they're going to be inspired by the benefits. So it's a very good way to go about naming your ATM group as you're setting it up. Now they're using a hashtag there, which I don't recommend. Maybe you'll do this later on and you could always change it, okay? But that's sort of their methodology here. So we could look at creating this group with the same methodology where we would say, what's the product name, comma, and then what are the benefits, okay? So we want to put in about 3 or 4 benefits and more, okay? Just like they did there with an exclamation point. So that's a really good strategy. Now, secondly, you're going to want to choose the private type group. Now you could choose a public type group, and that would mean that people would not actually need to join the group in order to see your ATM post. But private just keeps kind of the riffraff out of your group, makes it a little bit easier to manage once it starts to get big. You could always go public first and private then, but you cannot go private first and then back to public, okay? So that's just a decision. Most of the big groups go private. So that way you can kind of control that initial onslaught of people that are going to try to get in, okay? And then it's just as simple as clicking create to start the group at that point. So now you'll see here's your group name with your benefit and more. It's a private group, and you're off and running. That's it. That's just as easy it is to set up your first group or a group for your ATM group. In the next video, we'll move on to the next steps. Thanks for watching.